Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to go over both the setup menu and the app launcher. As a Salesforce admin or a Salesforce consultant, the setup menu is where the majority of your time will be spent. It's where you go to configure things such as new users, new objects, new fields, new process automation, and much more. Other than just creating new things, you'll also use the setup menu to modify existing functionality in your Salesforce org. To navigate around the setup menu, you're going to want to use the quick find box at the top left-hand corner of the page. From here, you can search things such as user, and as you can see, it brings up items such as profiles, roles, users, user management settings, and other things related to users in Salesforce. Additionally, there's this create button over here on the right-hand side of the page. It allows you to quickly create things that are more commonly made in Salesforce, such as creating users, multiple users, custom objects, custom tabs, email templates, and a workflow process. Regarding who can actually use the setup menu, end users in an org do not have access to the setup menu. Only users with a system admin profile will be able to access the setup menu via this gear icon. On the other hand, the app launcher, which is this Rubik's Cube icon, is available for all users in Salesforce. The app launcher provides a list of available applications a user can select from. As you can see, the Service Cloud, the Sales Cloud, the Marketing Cloud. These are all different applications in the Salesforce system. So if we go ahead and click on the Sales Cloud, you'll see that the Sales Cloud app has opened, and you can see the various tabs that go along with the Sales Cloud. Unlike an application in your phone, in Salesforce, an application is really just a series of different tabs. Each tab represents a different object in Salesforce. So as you can see, the lead tab is the lead object, account tab is the account object. You can use any of these tabs to access the different records related to the objects. For example, if I wanted to see a specific account record, I could just click on this account tab. And then if I click the drop down and go to all accounts, you can see that we can access any of these account records. I'm going to navigate back to the sales homepage. So if you notice all the tabs that go along with the Sales Cloud, if we click on the app launcher again and we open up the service application, you'll see that the tabs have changed and certain tabs have stayed, but other tabs such as the case tab is something specific to service. Again, every application in Salesforce is just a series of different tabs. In addition to accessing applications via the app launcher, you can also click on the View All link at the bottom of the list. From here, you could see that it gives you all the various applications, but if you scroll down to all items, you'll see that it not only lists applications, but it lists all of the objects that a user is able to select. So I'm just going to exit out of this. So the key takeaways from this video are the setup menu is where you will spend the majority of your time as a Salesforce admin or a Salesforce consultant, and that the setup menu is exclusive to users that have the system admin profile. The app launcher is where all users can switch between available applications in Salesforce, and also a place where users can access all of the objects available to them. If you can remember those two things, then you're well on your way to becoming a successful Salesforce admin. If you found this video helpful, I'd appreciate if you give it a like, and please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.